My name is Ed from Pre-Flight Drone. Today I'm heading out to Strickland Bridge Road. I received word that the new Strickland Bridge Road was complete, which is a Strickland Bridge Road has become a part of the I-295 Outer Loop. So I received the notification that road had opened. I believe it's been open now for a couple of weeks. So I'm heading out to the Strickland Bridge Rd Interchange to do a video update of that intersection. That intersection is a part of the last 5 miles of the I-295 Outer Loop that's scheduled to be complete the summer of 2026. The I-295 Outer Loop, it is a $1 billion highway project, and I'll put some more information right here to the side on that highway project. But anyway, like I said, I'm heading out to do an update on that area, and also while I'm out, I'll do a shot of the Stony Point Road, and I believe they're going to do some work on the Stony Point Road also. I'll start that video at the end of the Gillis Hill Road widening project and take it down to Strickland Bridge Road. So stand by, I should be there shortly, and we can take a look at Strickland Bridge Road. My pre-programmed flight did not want to download, so I'll just do a manual flight of the Strickland Bridge Road bridge over the I-295 Outer Loop and some construction that's going on about a quarter mile down. So here we go. So what you're looking at right now is Strickland Bridge Road, the bridge over the Outer Loop. And that's looking down Stony Point Road, so I'm going to swing it. And let's see what we're looking at here. It's a little dark, so I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to change the eyeglasses on it, sunglasses. Just a little bit too dark. So I'm going to change what is called the ND filters, neutral density. See if we can brighten the picture up a little bit. Okay, and just as I changed the sunglasses on this thing, the sun come out. But anyway, let's see what it looks like. Anyway. So right now you're looking directly down on the Strickland Bridge Road bridge that crosses over the interstate. So let me angle it down. Now let's see what's going on. This area here used to be New Century Road. But they're doing some construction here. They have shut New Century Road down. So you can no longer come through. Come through this area. Now what you're looking at now, this is part of the I-295 Outer Loop, the last 5 miles of this section of highway that is under construction, scheduled to be complete next summer. I don't think I'll be able to go all the way down to where you see that fresh, well, it looks like fresh concrete, but that is the Rayford Road. That highway, Rayford Road, also known as Interstate 401 or US 401. It is complete for traffic down to Rayford Road. Now I don't know if I'll be able to get all the way down there, but let's see. Let's see how far the drone will, or the FAA will let us go before I have to call the drone back. But like I say, this section of highway you're looking at right here, this is the I-295 Outer Loop. I just got a warning that I've extended my flight distance, so I'll stop it right there. But what you're looking at is the Rayford Road Highway 401 interchange. It is complete on the far side, but this is the start of that last 5 miles of intersection that needs to be complete going out to Camden Road. So let's swing it around. And I'm going to bring it back. What you're looking at now is Strickland Bridge Road. This is the bridge that crosses over Strickland Bridge Road. And also what you're looking at is part of that I-295 Outer Loop, the last 5 miles going out to Camden Road, which I do plan on doing an update from Rayford Road, the part you just looked at, going out to Camden Road. So right now the drone is coming back. We're getting ready to cross over New Century, where they dug up a part of New Century Road here. If you go to my drone page, you can see all of this area here before it was ground was ever broken in this area. You also be able to see the old Strickland Bridge Road that used to come across here. So basically, I have this area here pretty much mapped out with the drone prior to any construction being done. So I'm going to stop the drone right here, and I think I'll have it do a loop around this intersection just so you can see. Okay, so right now I have it set to do a loop. And it has started. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. I'm gonna do an 18-mile-an-hour loop around this intersection here, and then I'll just have the drone land, and we'll be done. But I can see the drone right now as it's going around, taking a picture, well, taking the video of this interchange here, which is the Strickland Bridge Rd Interchange. As the drone comes around, I can still see it. It's probably about a half mile. Well, I won't call it a half mile. It's a pretty good distance out from me right now, as it's making that pretty wide loop around this interchange. So I'll zoom in a little bit. It's coming on around. Zoom back out. Drone is straight out in front of me now. Coming on around 18 miles an hour. Still coming. And like I said, I do have a video of this area before any trees were ever cut down, before this 4-lane you see below the bridge was ever built. So go to my channel, Pre-Flight Drone, subscribe to my channel. Anytime I post a new video, you get a notification. I do plan on shooting this interchange, well, this highway project here, the last 5 miles until it is complete. So right now the drone is coming around, and what I'll do is I'll stop it here in a minute. Okay, it made a complete 360. I'll go ahead and call it home and call it a day. And again, like I said, my name is Ed from Pre-Flight Drone. Go to my drone page. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel out. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel. Anytime I do a drone video, you'll get a notification. I do plan on doing other videos in other cities and towns, so check me out. But this is the end of the video. Gonna angle the drone down. You'll be able to see it as it lands. And that's it. Strickland Bridge Rd Interchange. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And it's hot as hell. I'm out.